then click it on. See?
Okay, and come to your back. Your seat.
That's not the right one. If you choose this one, you have to choose this one over here. It's real hard to do this one. Okay. Flip it over, then do it again. Pull up, pull up, pull up. Then pull this all the way over here. And pull that, and pull it right over here.
Uh-huh.
Then flip. If you have the wrong one, then you pull, then it's going to even longer. It's going to go all the way over here. How are you going to put that? Pull. Well, if we get the wrong one, then we're going to put this. Let's put that up there. Press.
Okay, come to your car seat. How you do on your own? How to do on your own?
I can do my own. Well, if I close this door.
Close the door first. I'm sorry.
It's out here.
Okay.
Well, I'm gonna have to do mine and do this. Then I do that. Then I pull this down. Then I'm gonna click this on like my sisters. Click.
Oh, great. Thank you. How about the vitamin I put on the side?
Where?
Right. No? Not there? Oh, here, honey. Now you want to share?
Me.
Okay. For Jolie first, right?
Jolie's gonna have this one. Or left. Here you go, Jolie.
Say thank you, Jolie.
Thank you.
You done, honey? You be back to me the box, the bottle. Thank you.
There's only two. I don't know why these. Be the same. That's one.